Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I'm back with another Your Creative Studio unboxing. This is going to be the November box. I don't like to give away any spoilers on my channel. That's why I wait till the end of the month, beginning of the next month to unbox these for you guys. And if this is your first time watching a YCS unboxing, what it is a monthly subscription box filled with vintage themed stationery supplies that you can use in your journals, scrapbooks, planners. You can make cards, any sort of card making, basically whatever paper craft you're into. And if you're anything like me and you love the vintage look but feel guilty using real vintage ephemera in your journals, then this box is going to be for you. I can't tell you how many boxes of real vintage ephemera that I've picked up at swap meets, and they're just still sitting in boxes because I feel guilty using them. So I will leave the website in the description box down below if you're interested in trying out one of these boxes for yourself. You can order one box, you can order multiples. You do get a little bit of a discount if you order more than one. But just keep in mind that these boxes do sell out very quickly. So if you want to snag a box to try one out, just make sure you do so well in advance. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So I always like seeing these little brown packages in the mail. I always get really excited to see what theme has been put together. And none of the boxes that you're gonna get are going to ever be like holiday themed. So that's really nice. But all of the packages come with this beautiful vintage looking packaging. And so I just like to take it out of the box. And I like to save the paper as well. I've been doing these unboxings for a little over a year now, so I have a ton of this paper saved to make journal spreads. So let's get started. We have some stickers in here. I love the packaging of some of this stuff. It's so cute. And I don't like throwing it away. This almost looks like a match box. It just slides out like this. So these are some vintage stickers. Really cute. And it looks like you get triples of each print in here. So these would be really easy to do a quick journal spread with if you just took a few of these and kind of layered them. I don't like any white spaces in my journals. It's something I'm trying to be okay with, but I really just don't like blank white spaces in my journal. So a lot of the times I'll take like one of these kinds of stickers, and if there's anything left over after I'm done with the spread and there's like a little white space, I'll usually cover it up with a cute vintage themed sticker. So those were really cute. And in each box you get a little thank you card from your creative studio, and there's usually a hint of what the theme is. So we have a deer right there. So this is a bookmark with a deer on it. I love woodland animals, and there is a fawn right here, it looks like, as well. So this looks like a magnetic bookmark, which is really cute. Next we have, it looks like some washi tape, and then these are going to be some stamps. I also like to save the packaging on some of these, like these little brown bags, because I like to also use them in my junk journals. So we have some deer washi tape, and I will try to show you guys a little bit of a close-up. Okay, so here is what that looks like. Hopefully the camera is focusing. Usually in every box there is a washi tape and some stamps. So like I said, I've been doing these for over a year now, so I have like a pretty decent collection of these little washi tapes and then the stamps. So next, let me open those up. I really need to invest in a letter opener. I thought I had one. But okay, so we have, actually I'm gonna go ahead and open up both of them before I show you guys. Okay, I just tore that to smithereens. Okay, so we have a large stamp right here. It has a wig on it. It's a deer with a wig. I think that's really funny. So we have that. And then these are just smaller, I think they're called staghorns. Deer. Oh, and we have a little baby fawn right there. Okay. So those are the stamps. And then next, these look like some vellum papers. Go ahead and open those up. Are these stickers? Let me see. I think these are stickers. Yep, these are stickers. They're individual stickers. For some reason, I thought it might be a whole sticker sheet, but they are individual stickers. So lots of florals and this whole botanical theme. And it doesn't look like any of them are duplicates. So those are very beautiful. So we have those. Next we have, looks like some sticky notes that are in the shape of a tag with a deer on it. Okay, these are just individual cardstock tags, and it looks like the hole punches out on them. Okay, so they're all the same, and they are pretty thick cardstock. So those are really cute. What is in here? Note cards. Open that up. So have a bunch of note cards in a book. So these would be excellent for a little place to journal, and I really like, this reminds me of like bullet journaling. You could use this in a planner. That would be really cute. Actually, all of these you could use in a planner as a little spot to maybe journal or write some important notes. So it looks like there's 4 different styles in here. I definitely like the dotted or bullet journal style papers in there. And this is quite a thick little book. So that's really neat. Next we have some vintage stamp stickers, vintage looking stamp stickers, which are like one of my favorite little pieces. And I've gotten quite a bit of these styles from Your Creative Studio. So these are so cute. It looks like doubles of each in here. I'll try to do a better job of showing the camera. Maybe I'll scoot a little bit closer. But lots of cute vintage looking stamps. There's lots of animals on here. We have some birds. I think I saw a whale, some cats on here. Oh, that one's really cute. I like that one. Okay. So really cute, some owls, some tropical birds. So I love those. So far, that's my favorite item are these little stamps. And, oh, this is the packaging from something, but I really like this. So I'm gonna keep that packaging to use in my journals because it looks vintage. And next we have some sticky notes. So all the same print again with the elk, or I think that's an elk maybe, on it. I love the scalloped or torn looking edges on that. A lot of the times I try to do that in my journals. We have another stamp. I wasn't expecting that. So I thought they were all at the top, but we have another little stamp, looks like. Oh, this one's beautiful. So, and these stamps are great. I've tested them out in other videos. I don't think I'm going to do that in this video, just because I'm in a hurry today, but these stamps are excellent. I've never had any issues with them, and they always turn out really beautiful. And we have some Your Creative Studio stickers. So like this elk and this elk are the same print, it looks like, right there. It's really cute. We have some fern stickers. These ones are clear. These ones have the clear backing versus like the like frosted looking background. So we have some of those stickers, and the very last items are some 6x6 vellum pieces. And usually in every box there's either some sort of scrapbooking paper or vellum papers in there. So these are very beautiful. And again, continuing with that theme, here is this image. So these are really nice. Really beautiful box. All right, so let's do a quick little recap of everything that came in the November box. So we have a bunch of sticker sheets up here. We have some cardstock tags, some washi tape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different stamps. We have a magnetic bookmark, some sticky notes, a sticky note booklet, and my favorite item, these little vintage looking stamp stickers. And then you have 5 sheets of the vellum 6x6 sheets. This little matchbox looking box with all of these vintage stickers in there. So that's actually, I think this one is my favorite item. Actually, this is probably my second favorite, have to be those stickers, but I really like the box and just all of the different unique vintage stickers in here. And the very last item, this thick booklet of papers that you can use as little journaling spots in your journals or planners. So again, I will leave all of the website information down in the description box. Again, don't forget to order your box well in advance if you want to try one out, because they do sell out quickly. So until my next video, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next one.